Hi. I'm reshooting because YouTube capture is acting all weird. Anyway, I have finally seen somebody about my cough. I'm seeing a doctor on May 8th, an allergy specialist. I have a backstory to this, but I won't get into that. How funny it was trying to find somebody. um, but anyway, I'm seeing somebody on May 8th. Hopefully they can fix what's wrong, but I'm assuming my cough will probably be gone by then, and then they won't have anything to look at. But I think this is allergy season for me, and it's just driving me crazy, and because of where I work, I get the glare over. Like, are you sick? No. So hopefully we'll have this issue resolved. I'm hoping we can resolve it. And so we'll find out on May 8th. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I've got more doctory stuff going on, but I cannot say anything about that right now. I probably will later. But for right now, we're just going to leave it at the cough. So keep your fingers crossed for me. May 8th, I finally see somebody. Yay! And there's a funny story how I got there, finding this person. So, my medical insurance is a joke. Anyway, bye for now.